Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks. Today, AI stocks are dropping due to the release of a new platform. Is this an opportunity to buy the dip? Let's take a look. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today, we are seeing big name tech stocks related to artificial intelligence decline in price, some of them dropping more than 10%. And this was all triggered by the release of a new AI platform by Chinese AI startup DeepSeek. They released DeepSeek R1, an AI model that reportedly offers performance comparable to leading US models like OpenAI in reasoning, math, and coding tasks. This model was developed using less advanced hardware at a significantly lower cost than its competitors. It's been reported that the training cost for this platform was just $5.6 million, and this has raised some questions about the sustainability of the high cost of investment in AI infrastructure by American companies. So today, we're going to take a look at those big name tech stocks, which ones have dropped in price mostly, and how Wall Street is reacting to all of this news. Just before we get into that, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. You can also follow along on the TipRanks website or by downloading the TipRanks mobile app. Links are in the description down below. Let's jump right into these big name tech stocks. By taking a quick glance at the tech-heavy NASDAQ, we can see a lot of red across the heat map. And Nvidia is leading the pack today as one of the biggest losers. Of course, this popular stock has seen huge growth over the last few years, but it's been a bit of a choppier last few months, and today it has dropped over 17%. The reason that Nvidia is reacting so strongly to this DeepSeek release is that the DeepSeek model was developed using less advanced chips, so this could be seen as a challenge to Nvidia's market position in the AI chip industry. And another stock leading the pack in price drop today is Broadcom. Trading under the ticker AVGO, their stock has been in the green over the last few months, but today has dropped over 18%. And of course, this correction is similar to Nvidia as investors are worried that the demand for high-end AI chips might not be as robust as initially expected. Looking across the tech sector at other companies leading the way in stock decline today, we have Vertiv Holdings, Arista Networks, Marvell, then Broadcom, Nvidia, Tower Semi, and ARM Holdings. While this is quite the knee-jerk reaction today across the tech sector, some are seeing it as a great opportunity, including Wedbush. Analysts at Wedbush view the technology sell-off this morning as a golden buying opportunity, saying that no U.S. Global 2000 company is going to use a Chinese startup to launch their artificial intelligence infrastructure and use cases. They say there is only one chip company in the world launching autonomous, robotics, and broader AI use cases, and that is Nvidia. Launching a competitive large language model for consumer use cases is one thing, but launching broader AI infrastructure is a whole other ballgame. And nothing with DeepSeek makes us believe anything different. They see this as an opportunity to own Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, and other big tech names, and that while DeepSeek impressed the tech community, this is not launching 100 times the capacity and algorithms that is needed to even consider this a competitive threat. An analyst from Cantor Fitzgerald weighed in on the DeepSeek news with specific mention of Nvidia. They noted that DeepSeek's V3 large language model is actually very bullish for Nvidia, despite great angst around the impact for compute demand and fears of peak spending on GPUs. They say all of this is bullish for AI and that they would buy shares of Nvidia on any potential weakness. Also weighing in on the sell-off today was an analyst from Mizuho. They said to consider buying data centers on these DeepSeek fears, that there may be a knee-jerk negative reaction to data center stocks to the news, given fears of a likely rethink of big AI spending, but they would be buyers of any weakness, saying that a lot of claims need to be verified. Further, most real estate investment trust development pipelines are highly pre-leased, and the companies have robust double-digit pricing power in fiscal 2025. And we also have an analyst from Oppenheimer who said that this release could be a positive for Amazon, but negative for Microsoft. They noted that this is very positive for the overall AI ecosystem, as DeepSeek is charging less than 1/20th of what OpenAI is, which should drive down the inferencing costs. They said that Amazon has anticipated that AI is moving to commoditized models, but Microsoft has bet on more proprietary models and higher cost hardware. And one last firm that we're going to look at weighing in on the whole thing is Piper Sandler. And they actually weighed in on the implications of DeepSeek in regards to Tesla, stating that the firm doesn't think DeepSeek represents a threat to the thesis. The lesson is that AI models can perhaps be trained using smaller than expected CapEx outlays, but that Tesla may actually benefit from this trend. Already, we've seen several analysts reiterate their buy ratings on the Nvidia stock, all with upsides of over 48% and higher. So it seems that they are still feeling quite bullish on this despite this DeepSeek release. And I'm sure we'll see a lot more analysts weigh in the stocks over the next coming days. Overall, it does seem that many think this sell-off is overblown, but of course, we'll see how this continues to impact throughout the week. Let me know your thoughts on these tech companies and what ones you're going to be scooping up on the dip. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. And of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just sharing what those Wall Street analysts are up to, so please always stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.